1. The world is approximately 7.8 billion years old. 2. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the oldest living structure on Earth and has been functioning as a habitat for marine life for over 300 million years. 3. The tallest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, is located in the Himalayas and stands at a height of 9,849 meters. 4. The smallest country in the world is Vatican City, with an area of less than 5 square kilometers. It is entirely surrounded by the Italian capital of Rome. 5. The world's most populous country is China, with 1.4 billion people. The United States is the second most populous country, with 330 million people. 6. The longest river in the world, the Volga, runs for approximately 17,650 kilometers. 7. The Earth's crust is approximately 238 kilometers thick on average. 8. The Sun is approximately 88 million kilometers from the Earth. 9. The Earth's surface is approximately 510 million kilometers in diameter. 10. The largest moon in the solar system is Jupiter's moon Europa, which is approximately 3 times the size of Earth. 11. The smallest moon in the solar system is Pluto, which is approximately 1/4 the size of Earth. 12. The International Astronomical Union officially designated 2019 the year of the bright star Alnitic. 13. The Big Bang Theory of the origin of the universe was proposed by Albert Einstein in 1917. 14. The speed of light is approximately 299,792,458 meters per second. 15. The human brain contains approximately 1 trillion neural connections. 16. The longest human footprint ever recorded was traced in Australia and measured 22 meters in length. 17. The first recorded use of the word science was in a work by the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle in the 4th century BC. 18. The world's largest city by population is Tokyo, Japan, with a population of over 37 million people. The second largest city is Mumbai, India, with a population of over 30 million people. 19. The longest highway in the world is the Pan American Highway, which runs for approximately 7,400 kilometers from Alaska to Argentina. 20. The longest bridge in the world is the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California, which spans the San Francisco Bay and connects the states of California and Oakland.